everyone, my name is Jessa and this is my friend Cinta, and today we will explain a little bit about procedure text. So prepare your notebooks because this will be a very important information. Alright?
Procedure text is a text that explains or help us how to make or how to use something.
The purpose of a procedure text is to explain to the reader on how to use something or how to make something through a sequence of actions or steps.
Generic structure. First, A. The little is used to indicate the purpose of the text.
And second is the ingredients and materials, which contains the materials or tools needed in the steps in order to do the process.
Third, steps. Contain steps taken to achieve the objective in the text.
Now let's go to the characteristics. First is to use imperative sentences. For an example, cut the bananas into pieces, don't mix the coconut with the water, heat the water for 5 minutes, and etc.
Second, use action verbs. For example, chop, cut.
Use sequence adverbs. For example, first, second, next, then, finally, while, and etc.
4. Use adverbs to express detail the time, place, manner, etc. For example, crack the egg into the bowl.
And finally, but not least, use simple present tense.
That's all about procedure text.
Thank you and goodbye. My name is Chesa and this is my friend Cinta, and today we will review an amazing app called Snakes and Ladders Game. Alright, without further ado, let's check it out. Alright Cinta, it's your turn.
Okay, a classic version of Snakes and Ladders is available. In the Snakes and Ladders King application, you can play for free. The rules here are as simple as traditional board game. You have to go to the last square as soon as possible while getting ahead of all opponents. You need to be smart and fast. You shall avoid meeting with snakes. Next, you will be continuing with Jessa.
Alright, each and every encounter with snakes can bring you back to the very end of the game. It is extremely frustrating, especially when you're in the chance of winning. Well, there are currently 3 game modes in Snakes and Ladders game, which I will explain now. In survival game mode, you will be met with ghosts that appears out of nowhere and at the most unexpected times. In multiplayer mode, you will play with your friends or real players from all over the world. And here you can test your skills using computer mode. Alright, Cinta?
Well, that's all about Snakes and Ladders King Games rules. Thank you.
Alright, Cinta, do you want to play some?
Yes, of course.
Alright, you go first. Okay, press it. Oh, you're so lucky. Then press it again.
Hello everyone, my name is Alvin and this is my friend Rati. Today I want to tell you about procedure text. Procedure text is a text that explains or helps us how to make or how to use something. The purpose of procedure text is to explain the reader to make or how to use something through a sequence of steps. Generic structure. First, aim or goal. The title is used to indicate the purpose of the text. Second, ingredients. Contains materials or tools needed in the steps to do the process.
Third step. Contains or step taken to achieve the objective in the text. Characteristic of procedure text. First, use imperative sentence, for example, cut the banana into pieces. Second, use action verbs, for example, crack, chop. Third, use sequence adverbs, for example, first, second. Fourth, use adverb, for example, boil the water for 15 minutes. 5. Use simple present tense. Well, that's all about procedure text. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Alvin and this is my friend Rati. Today, we would like to tell you about how to use Street View in Google Maps. Now, search for a place. First, on your smartphone, open the Google Maps app. Second, search for place on the map. The example is, I search City Park. Third, select thumbnail with a street view icon. Finally, you find the place you are looking for. When you are done, at the top left, tap back. Now, Rati will tell you about Explore View Street.
To look around the view street, tap the compass icon and move your smartphone. 2. To move around, swipe left or right. 3. To see a wider view and change to landscape mode. 4. To zoom in, pinch open the screen. 5. To zoom out, close on the screen. Well, that's all about how to use Street View in Google Maps. Alvin, let's go to the city park.
Okay, let's go.